What's up, Logan Paulers? Today we're doing a cooking show. Carter is our judge today. He'll be judging me and Cole versus these two. Whoever loses has to jump in the pool fully clothed. We have 30 minutes to cook. That's about it.
Why do you think we're gonna win? We're the best cooks. They're noobs. We got a fantastic steak with some macaroni and cheese and some mashed potatoes. Instant mashed potatoes.
Hold on.
And the Spider-Man plates. That's the main reason.
Secret
right
weapon.
there.
Secret
Oh
weapon.
yeah.
We're gonna win today because we got the country style on us today. So we're gonna put our country techniques to the style.
All right. Hey, we haven't started yet. You can't season yet.
Hey, shh. Whoa, 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 whoa,
That's
whoa.
called
Hey, we
that's
started.
called cheating.
Timer starts.
You gotta
3,
be, bro, you gotta be
2,
quick like this.
1, go.
Go. What are you guys cooking first?
Hey, which one?
Chicken. We got them instant mashed potatoes.
Ah, free.
Looks disgusting.
You know how to cook this?
Yeah. Just read the directions.
Medium-sized saucepan.
Saucepan's like the little. No, I can't.
I'll get you on. Watch out, move. Saucepan, let's go. Right, hang on.
So boil water for 7 minutes.
I don't know how to use this thing.
What are we making here right now?
Food.
Some green beans and some corn.
I forgot how to use this thing.
And some
It's a can opener.
I have an electric one. I don't ever have to use it.
Ryan!
Oh, we got some mac and cheese filled.
Gotta pick it up.
Holy cow! Wow, that cooked really fast.
Nice
Well, that's taking too long.
What? Like, who made this?
You're doing it.
It's not cutting crap.
How much is a quarter stick?
They're gonna burn the house down.
Oh, yeah.
He just asked how much a quarter of a stick of butter was.
What are you doing? Give me a spoon.
Take it cold. A big spoon or little spoon?
what am I always?
Little spoon.
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
Hurry, give me the basil, give me the basil.
Frick the basil.
Ryan cooks nothing for himself, do you?
I'm getting carried away.
Yeah.
Watch out, we
I got
got
the Spider-Man plate. The plates are right here.
That makes it better.
Ah! That's hot.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
we're like smoking up the house, bro.
Every time I make steak, dude, the house is like on fire.
Oh my gosh, you got my eye. Oh, that burns. Holy crap. I play Minecraft, I know what I'm doing. I'm not grabbing that.
We need the butter?
I'm like sweating and I'm not even doing anything. It's like 1,000 degrees in here.
Nancy,
Hey, we need to wait 7 minutes.
because we're clutching this win. We're catching it down.
Reid, you gotta get this one out.
Stirring.
You have 19 minutes left
See that? See that?
on the Spider-Man
That's
plate.
gonna win us the game right now. Wait, you
We eating good.
And now I'm sweating. You're probably dying.
Crap in my eye.
Oh. What have we got?
We got some Italian dressing in here. Soy sauce. Ew. Fire sauce.
You got a lot of options to mix together.
Yeah, I need barbecue.
We can put like salt or anything in this.
Marinade, honey. No.
I think the house is starting to get messy.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's alright.
Hold the barbecue.
Oh, we eating.
Okay, don't answer me.
Cool!
Oh!
Play. Ryan, it happened again.
Ryan! You're gonna freaking burn down the house. Ryan, turn it down! Turn it down! Does Ryan, do you not know how to turn off a stove?
I turned it down.
No, you did not turn it down.
You don't want crunchy noodles.
You don't want.
Huh?
Oh, your dog decided to be right.
I know, dude. She's so cute.
She's cute. Fork. They've already made the chicken.
This is already
And-
number 4.
Is this your green beans, yes?
That's big. Hey, it's on our side. Excuse me.
Disqualified.
Carter, are you excited to judge?
Okay.
It's a lot of smoke, so that means it's a good sign.
That's not always a good sign. Maybe something's burning. Oh my gosh! It look. Oh my gosh! You can see the smoke like over there. 12 minutes. Can't see what's in here, Carter. Go away.
Dude, our fans, dude, they're so heavy.
There's chicken.
Andy, hand me a fork, please.
I'm sorry, I'm not allowed to help you. Oh my gosh, these potatoes.
Please tell me it's fruit.
I'm gonna mix these.
Please tell me it's fruit.
Okay, those don't actually look bad.
Hey, it's not bad.
You want to try that piece?
Let's see it.
Yeah, wait, that piece.
Why does it actually look good?
Oh yeah, dude, and this is like a $2 steak.
We're insane.
Oh,
We're gonna eat that.
Yeah. Got it.
Bro, it tastes like Texas roast.
Why am I so good at cooking? So we kind of fixed you 2 steaks, but they're really good. So can we have one?
He said sure.
Dude, let's go.
Buttery corn.
Oh,
Hey, grandma's favorite thing to cook.
So I'm kind of impressed, honestly.
Well, our presentation.
No, just like in general, you're actually not that bad. They're eating. They're eating their own presentation. That's pretty close. They're both pretty good.
Stealer!
Hey, hey, give it back.
They cheated.
What is it?
Disqualified.
What is it?
They stole one of our users.
They gotta give it back, or else they're cheating.
You have 3. Give it.
Hey, who bought them? Who bought them?
I bought them.
Yeah.
Give it back.
Carter, how do you feel? You ready? Tell us what you have.
Dove dark chocolate with some mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, and then a $2 steak. Even though it tastes amazing.
So we got the barbecue chicken with the bacon and buttered green beans, and then we got the salty corn.
What's the drink?
It's cranberry juice.
Oh, nice. And then they have 3 yoo-hoos over there. Carter loves yoo-hoos.
We have a filet mignon, mashed potatoes imported from Germany, and some Japanese macaroni and cheese.
If you'd like, you can combine them.
We were
But
thinking
that's up
about
to
it.
you.
That's only
That
for
is all.
corn.
And some yoo-hoos.
And some yoo-hoos imported
All
from
3 of
Mexico.
them. All for you. Then.
All right, Carter, you ready to try it?
Dark chocolate. Show them what we're doing.
It's dark chocolate, so if you don't like dark chocolate,
What is he
So
doing?
I am right here. I'm judging off seasoning, taste, presentation, and smell.
1 out of
Okay.
10 for all. I'll get my
The smell.
smell good.
What? Okay, don't say it out loud.
We got the Spider-Man part for you.
Presentation.
Yeah, so that's what I like.
You see that?
I did not. Alright.
Yeah, he didn't even see it, so.
First. Perfectly seasoned by our top chef, Cole Baker.
Just like normal mac and cheese.
Hey, we'll take that.
Hey, but how good is the mac and cheese?
Pretty freaking good.
Exactly.
He said it before you put it in his mouth.
We haven't even tasted it. How's the mashed potatoes taste? Oh my god.
It's a little thick.
It's like
They're mashed potatoes.
How do you like them? Exactly.
As he's struggling to get there.
It's really good.
Thank you, sir.
I want to kiss you right
Your turn.
Not done yet.
No, he's not done.
Oh yeah, sorry. My bad. Jeez, get so aggressive.
Last minute preparation.
No, we're doing it for him. That guy's he's looking at it.
I can't add this up. I'm not a math magician or whatever.
Seasoning.
It was okay. It was okay. I put a 7 for that. The mashed potatoes were pretty well seasoned, and the steak, it was seasoned. It was just it needed a little bit more. The taste was 9 because the taste was absolutely really good. Mac and cheese was mac and cheese, of course. Mashed potatoes were a little thick, but other than that, I gave it a 9. Presentation, they had 3 yoo-hoos set up, a dove, and their fork and their knife was on each side of the plate, so I liked that, so I gave them a 8. And smell, it was a really good smell, so I gave them an 8. So let me add that up real quick. And this is out of 40, I think.
Yeah. I'm up.
They got a 32.
32 out of
32 out of 40.
Okay.
Today you got a 5-star meal. Got you some nice barbecue chicken with the buttered bacon, green beans, and some good old classic corn. And a side of cranberry juice.
I like the style.
How's it smell?
Smells pretty good. I definitely like that smell a lot.
Cold.
Yeah, because it's been sitting there.
How's the chicken?
Tastes pretty good. Tastes really good, honestly. It's smoked. I can taste the smokiness, and I like that. So we got bacon. That's bacon, right? Very chewy bacon goes well with the beans. That corn's freaking good. That is really good corn. Tastes like my Memo's corn. Not better than my Memo's corn, but it tastes similar. First we have the seasoning. The seasoning, the chicken was very well seasoned, but the butter and corn weren't really seasoned. The beans and bacon and corn were not well seasoned, but the corn had a lot of butter on it, which made it good. So I gave them the 6 for that. Taste. The one thing in that dish was the chicken. The chicken was really good. They added a lot of seasoning on it, and I like that part. Presentation. My plate was kind of tilted this way a little bit. They tried their best to make, like, when you go to a restaurant and they give you your silverware in like that napkin thing. They tried to do that, but I gave them a 6 on that. Smell. The smell was really good. The chicken smelled really good. The corn smelled really good, and I didn't really smell bean or bacon on it. The results are in. Okay, Reid and Noah got 28, and Cole and Ryan got 32. Cole and Ryan have won.
Okay, so I gotta tell them that.
I hate this for the loser. I hate to say it, but final score was 32 to 28. And the winner is Ryan and Cole. Let's go! Their presentation was a little bit better, and their seasoning on all their food was a little better, and their presentation and seasoning was fantastic. But your taste was amazing. Both of yours were amazing. That was one of the hardest decisions I've ever had.
Oh yeah.
Very good food. But now, cooking show 2, I don't know when it's going to be, but I got to cook.
Well, so me and Reid lost the challenge. We gotta jump in the pool with all our clothes on, so I'm gonna prop up that thing just for content, just for you guys.
Oh. Is it warm?
Not good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Hey, move, Reid. Hey, move that. Move that.
Ryan!
Your turn.
Hey, move that.
What?
Your turn.
Should I backflip off?
This camera's gonna get wet. Ah!
Noah!
I don't know why we got in.
Outro.
I don't either.
Alright. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video. And comment down below if you want to see more of these. Yeah, tell us what to cook in the next video. Peace out.